Welcome to Willowbrook Apiary and Homestead. Happy bees, healthy honey. So on today's vlog, it is a little bit more of a sad vlog. What we have found is that we are experiencing a loss of birds. I called Tractor Supply where we got them and talked with them, and it does sound like we're dealing with a parasitic coccidia, something like that. I'll put it in the link below. But what we've got is labored breeding with the chickens, and we are isolating our meat chickens. We've lost 3 in 6 days, and we have one that is going through the same labored breeding right now. I want to show you that, and we'll talk about what we're doing. So this bird in the very front here that's laying with its neck laid out like that, that's almost always a sign that a chicken is not well. You can see this other chicken behind is breathing or sleeping also with its head up and pulled in. And this other one's watching us wondering what in the world we're doing. But then the one laying down on the crate has got its neck all stretched out and was fine last night when I changed their water at night. So we are headed back to Tractor Supply to pick up some medication to put in their water, and we've changed their bedding on a very regular basis, but we are changed the bedding again today, and put down some bleach water on the concrete floor to try to kill any bacteria or worm eggs or anything like that that might be in there. And I don't know whether we'll be able to save this one or not, but hopefully we can save the other two. And Tractor Supply has been very good to us. They are replacing the birds that I've lost. I've asked if I can change to some black astrolorp, which my brother was telling me they eat less food and convert their food to weight conversion is better than a meat bird or an egg layer. They're a good dual purpose with a very gentle temperament. So I think I'm gonna pick up a few of those while I'm at Tractor Supply today. Okay, this is too cute. One of the meat chickens is sleeping neck to neck with one of the ducks. Oh my gosh, silly bird.